Guys, I'm here, Unit 12. Today's a big day. My car is finally getting tuned. It finally should be done. Alpha's tuning the car. Dave should be wrapping it up. It's not wrapped up already. Actually, already might be on the dyno. I don't even know yet. I'm supposed to have, they're backed up, I know that. But we're doing a 93 tune and an E85 tune. My first time ever going to have a car on E85. So, we'll chit chat a little bit more. Let's get in there. Let's check these things out. Let's see where we are because I have no idea what's going on. It's awfully quiet. What's going on, fellas?
Yo.
Today's a big day, huh?
Yeah, I'm getting squared away here. It runs.
Oh, I missed the fire up?
I barely fired it up. It's one of the injector O-rings has an issue that I'm handling right now.
Okay.
Other than that,
cool.
Runs. Just going through and going over everything. Did your brake lights have an issue before you pulled the car apart?
Brake lights? No, my reverse light.
The brake light, the switch that holds the brake light to the pedal assembly, somebody has repaired.
Okay.
And the brake lights stay on because the switch.
I never had that issue. My reverse lights never came on.
That's probably, was this car originally an auto?
Yes.
What are you guys doing?
They're with me. Yeah, yes, it was definitely an auto.
Okay.
100%. Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to head out of here. Just head back to the house. I don't live terribly far away from the shop. So they're having an issue with this BMW that is on the rollers right now with the 2JZ swap, so which I find very interesting. I guess he's trying to, I don't know. It's like his own, whatever. I think it's funny because it's the opposite of the Supra basically, so I'm going to go ahead and get my scat pack. And I'll head back here in a little bit. I'll take you guys along, but there's really no point in me hanging here. My car's not on the dyno. They're trying to get shit done. They're mad busy in there, so it's not like I can just film all day. So, alright, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Peace. Alright, guys, latest update is... Jesus, thank you, guys. Latest update is they are still working on this BMW. So, my car is going to be like an all-night car, it sounds like. So, I'm sure it's going to give them gremlins. So, I'm going to be a nice guy. What I'm actually going to do is surprise them. I'm going to run and get them some Taco Bell. That way, they have some food in them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and then stop by and just drop it off and say hi for a minute. But that's the latest update. So we're out in this bullshit weather, man. This summer's been crappy. But off we go.
I'm good, thank you. What can I get for you?
Don't you guys have like a box of tacos or something?
We have a 10 or a 12.
Ooh, I'll do 2 12-packs.
Hard or soft?
You can throw in a couple of different kinds.
You want half and half, one hard, one soft?
Oh, I'm sorry, hard tacos.
For all of them?
Yeah.
Alright. Anything else?
That's it.
It's 34.10.
Thank you. Thank you. Take care. Tacos. Alright, where's it going? Alright. Out in the bullshit weather, man. Bring some tacos. Alright, fellas. Give me that. We're, get out of here. Let them do their thing, man. I'm trying to wrap that car up. I don't need that. I just dropped some food off. Got water drop on the lens, I think. So, next clip should be some type of good update. Either the car firing up, or maybe the car going. I don't know. But next clip should be something somewhat interesting. So, on to the next clip, which I have no idea when this is going to be for me, but for you guys, it's in about 2 seconds.
2 hours later.
Wait on real quick though. So we told my buddy that my Supra's done, which is a lie. So we just put the close to 1-to-1 scale. That way we can show him something when he gets here.
Yo, it's good. What? Where's that? What are you doing working at? I told you.
We have it here. What are you, blind?
What the fuck are you talking
Yeah,
about,
bro. Come on, man.
What the fuck are you talking about, dude?
There it is, dude.
It's right there. I told you we got it out in the driveway.
So,
Wow.
It's right here.
Yo,
I'll even let you drive it.
Fresh
No.
from the stop.
Yeah, there you go.
From the shop. Oh my god.
That's a pretty good deal, man.
I knew it. Yo, in my head I was like, yo, there's no way it would have got done in that day.
I mean,
Damn.
technically it's done. It's right there.
There she is.
That's a pretty good deal.
It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?